Hello there, welcome to Learn in 10 Minutes. My name is Joseph, and as always, I'll be your teacher today. In the previous video, we looked at how to create a new document, how to save documents using the Save and Save As options, and how to open existing documents. In this video, we'll look at saving documents as PDF, opening and editing PDF documents, and printing documents. I hope you're ready for this lesson. Let's begin. So what is a PDF document? PDF stands for Portable Document Format, which is a file format developed by Adobe in the 1990s to present documents, including text formatting and images, in a manner that is independent of the application software, hardware, and operating system. That means that whatever you save on a Microsoft PC should look the same on a Macintosh or a Linux OS. So with that said, let's go into creating one of these documents and see how we can work with them. So let's begin by starting off the Microsoft Word 2016 software. When you start the Microsoft Office Word 2016, you're always welcome with the template screen if you're not opening an existing document. Because you want to work with an existing document, let's go to Open Other Documents, and then from here let's come to Browse. It will open the browse menu for us, and we can go to Microsoft Office Essentials, where we saved the other document in the previous video, and open the document Training 1. Now let's format our document to look unique so we can save in the PDF format. Since we are talking about system software, I would want to add some images, which we'll look at very soon in other training sessions. How to add images, how to insert images, how to move images around in a document. But for illustration, let me do this from here so we can proceed. So to add an image, I'll go to Insert, and I'll go to Pictures, and I'll go to the same folder I saved documents in. Now I'll go to Assets and choose this Macintosh PC here, and I'll insert. So let's go ahead and add another image in between Program and there. Over here we'll go back to Insert, Pictures, and then we'll add these sample monitors we have there. I'll just move a few things around here so that my document will look a bit presentable, and I'll do the same for this as well. Good. So now we have images inside the document. Let me just change the color of heading to blue, and we can save this. Because we do not want to alter the original document, we'll come to File, we'll come to Save As. We are going to browse where we want to save as, and we'll save this as Training 3. Now let's go on and save Training 3 as a PDF document. How do we do that? There are two options, two methods we can use. The first option is by going to File, coming to Save as PDF document. On the left side of the menu, click Save as PDF document. It will open the Save as PDF file option for us. Then you see the name here, Training 3.pdf. That's Training 3.portable document format. We just click Save. Then it will initialize and save the document. Once it's saved, it will open in our default PDF viewer. I am using Adobe, so this is the document we just saved, and that is it. As you can see, you cannot edit this document here. You can select files, but you cannot edit it. If you want to edit it, there are special programs you can use. In this case, we are going to use Microsoft Office Word to edit it. So let's minimize this and come back to the document we have created. Now let's close this document by going to File, and then close. Now that we have closed the document, let's open the Adobe document once again. We go to File, we go to Browse. Then, as you can see, training3.pdf is here. .docx means that it is a Microsoft Word document. .pdf means that it is an Adobe document or a portable document format. So we click it once and we click Open. Once we click Open, we get this pop-up which may tell us that it will take a while to convert from PDF to Word. We'll click OK, and then we are going to have it in the read mode. So the read mode will actually tell us, will give us a view of the whole document so we can read or make the various changes we want to do in it. In our case, we want to edit. So what we will have to do is to come down here on the view modes and click the middle one, which is print layout mode. Once we click the print layout mode, you can see that we can now select text. That means that we can now edit it. But take a look at the title bar. It says read only. This means that this document has not been saved for us. Though we have saved the original document, this particular document we have opened is not saved. So what we have to do is, whatever changes we do here, we have to save it to a different location or the same location with a different file name. So let's just select the text here as I have done, and then let's come and select the highlights option. Let's select another text here and select a different highlights option. All these we'll look at later on in subsequent videos we will show. Now when I click save, when I come to file and I click save, you realize that it would bring us the save as option, which will now allow us to save as training3.docx. This means that now, even though we have that existing, this document is new because it is in read only. We want to save this as a PDF document. So let's come to File, Save as PDF document, and it will tell us that it needs to save the file before continuing. So it will still take us to the Save As option with the docx extension. So let's just rename this to Training 4 and click Save. It opens the same folder for us, then we can save. Once the save is done, we can now view it in our Adobe PDF document, and we see that all the changes we did has now reflected in the PDF viewer. So that is how you create, you save, you open Adobe documents in Word, and you edit the PDF documents in Word. Now let's look at the second way we can save PDF documents. You come to File and you come to Print. Once you get to the Print preview page, you can come to Printer, and if you have Adobe PDF installed on your system, you automatically have Adobe PDF here, or you can let Microsoft print to PDF. This means that instead of using the Save as PDF option here, we can simply select this option or that option if you have Adobe PDF installed on your system, and you can use these options to save the document in PDF also. In our case, we want to print the document. Let's do so by coming to Printer and then selecting our printer to print the documents. We have no printer installed here yet, so we cannot print the documents. However, once we have a printer here, we can select the printer, say Adobe PDF, and then click Print. Then it will initiate the printing for us. In this case, it is opening the Save As option for us again, so we save it in PDF because we selected Adobe PDF as the printer. We hope you enjoyed this video. This is how you create, you save, you open, you edit, and you print documents using the Microsoft Word. If you like this video, please leave us a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.